Hello you YouTubers and welcome to another unboxing video. So today I just got 3 of these starter packs. And we might get some new cards from these 3 starter packs. So, let's start with the first one. Hold up. Sorry. Had to get them again. Now then, let's start opening these babies up. Alright. Come on. Let's see what we got here. Now, here we go. Now, the first ones that we got are Aurelius, Lupithion, and Heos Viceroy. Allow me to get these guys out so you can have a better look. Oh, you got it. There we go. Okay, any more? Okay, so here's Viceroy and Lupithion. Now this is a new Bakugan that I just got, so this may be hard to figure out exactly how to close it, but I can manage without using instruction manuals. Okay, so I think you push the legs, then push them together, close the arms together, and close the head. This is going to be hard. Here we go. I think that you're supposed to I think you have to close Um, this is seriously tough. Alright, here's Lupithion in his ball form. And now let's figure out how to put Vicerock into ball form. Okay, I think you're supposed to close up the legs first. Then close up his arms and all right. Okay. So that's one. Close the other side and close up the arm. Okay, so here's Vicerock in ball form. Alright, now to alright. Alright, let's see what cards that we got. Seems we got some checklists and an official rule book. Okay, anyway. We got Dazzle. Says here that it stops a Bakugan with a DNA core. And you can pause the video so that you can read the card. And we also got Tangly Vines. Yes, I think that's pronounced right. It says right here, minus 800 battle points to the opposing Bakugan, and you may re-roll your Bakugan. As it says so here on the card. And we also got Flash Flood. As it says that choose a non-energy card in your play and return it to its owner hand. We also have Quickfire. Make a Pyrus attack for one attack, and you may re-roll your Bakugan. And we also got Shatter Fist. Which that gives 2 damage. And we got Viceroy's card, which he has 500 battle points and 1 damage. But he also has an effect that allows to give the opponent an extra energy, so it's going to be hard since he would need another extra energy. And next we got Lupithion's card. And as you can see, he's 400 battle points and 5 damage. But he also gives 2 frostbite damage if he has a DNA core. We also have Aquas Serpentines, 300 battle points and 4 damage, but not an effect Bakugan. Oh, we also got Trino, a Triceratops Bakugan. And it says here that he has 300 battle points and 4 damage. But unfortunately, he doesn't have an effect. Then we got Ventus Gorthion. And it says here he has 300 battle points, but also 6 damage. But as the others, he doesn't have an effect. Now then, let's get the other 3 out. Alright. That's 1, 2, and 3. So here's Aqua Serpentines, Pyrus Trino. You can push up its horns, as you can see. Aww. Hello, sweet little kitten. So anyway, let's get on with the Baku course and see what we got here. We have minus 200 battle points, but 5 damage. We got another. Oh, we also got 150 battle points and 1 damage. 100 battle points, and it also have 3 damage towards an Aquas or Ventus Bakugan. We got minus 100 B power. 400 B power towards a Health or Ventus Bakugan. 500 battle points minus 1 damage. 3 damage. 6 damage. And 150 battle points and 1 damage. Another copy. All right. Now then. I think I'll put in a part 2 video. So remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button if you want to see more of the related actions. And I'll see you at the next video. Bye! And Bakugan Brawl!